Hello guys, let us discuss chemistry questions. So the question one is, which of the following salts is the most basic in aqueous solution? So in the water, which of the salt is the most basic? We have to find. The first option is CH3COOK, second is FeCl3, third is PbCH3COO2, and fourth is AlCN3. So let us find the solution. So as we know that CH3COOK when mixed with H2O, that is water, because we are talking about water only. So it reacts and the K goes out and the one H goes here. So it makes CH3COOH and K goes from here to this part, so it makes KOH. That is basic. Okay, and second option is our FeCl3. FeCl3 is an acidic solution, we all know that. Now third is AlCN3. It is a salt of weak acid and a weak base, and we all know that KOH is a basic, very basic solution. So PbCH3COO whole twice is also a salt of weak acid and weak base. Hence CH3COOK is a salt of weak acid and strong base. Strong base. So the solution of CH3COOK is the most basic solution. Hence the answer is first option is